Y estamos por ahí. Déjame... Vamos a ver si la gente comienza a conectarse por ahí. Dímelo, Lucci, ¿y tú qué? What's up?
Dímelo.
Tú no has ido a jugar beach tennis this week, right? No has ido al
Ah,
beach tennis.
ah, es que después de el viaje, el último fin de semana, yo perdí mi rutina, bro.
Sí, pero todo bien. Everything's
Sí,
good.
eso pasa.
Ya.
Eso pasa. La cosa es que uno se enoja a sí mismo
Sí,
y hay que empujar la resistencia para acostumbrarte otra vez a la rutina.
es cierto.
So, hay que gastar un par de días enojado, enojado, you know, para que tú puedas adelantar,
It's true. A mí
you
te hace
know.
falta una meditación en la playa, solo, y volver a balancear tu chakra.
I mean, sí, sí. Y la luna llena,
Ah, it's coming.
la luna llena. ¿Eso fue ayer o hoy? ¿Por
Ah,
qué tú no cambiaste a tu pantalla
dale.
cuando
Estoy,
tú estabas hablando?
es cierto. Estoy aquí, ¿no? Estoy en un medio lag porque también, oye, May the 4th, bro. Yo soy un, yo soy un geek de Star Wars.
Ah,
So, oye, May the 4th. Oye, el día de Star Wars.
¿tú crees que like, durante el COVID empezamos a crear diferentes días para cada, para cada cosa raro?
I
Do you
mean,
know what I mean?
no lo había
Like,
visto desde ese punto de vista, though.
¿Quién creó? ¿Cuándo empezó ese día? El 4 de mayo, día de Star Wars.
May
Like,
the
¿cuándo
4th.
fue?
Vamos a ver si aquí dice algo. El 4 de mayo de 1979 surgió la idea, mira. 1979.
1929.
79. Yeah.
What?
I guess que ese fue uno de los first years of Star Wars.
Pero este año, eso fue el primer año que yo escuché ese día,
I mean,
que el día fue de Star Wars. ¿Tú sabes qué? Porque una mujer que con quien estoy hablando,
ajá.
ella puso un story en las redes, and she was
May,
like,
may
oh,
the
may the
4th
fourth
be
be
with you.
may the fourth be with you.
Bro, es un classic.
Yo no he visto la última película también.
Mentira, ¿sabes que yo estaba viéndola ayer? I
Ah,
was watching la penúltima. I think it's
ajá,
called It's not the Force Awakens, it's the next one. Y then
ajá.
yo me puse a ver Mandalorian. ¿Tú has escuchado de Mandalorian? Esa es como la nueva serie de
Sí,
Star Wars.
sí, 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 sí.
Esa sí está brutal. I love it. So yesterday at night I was watching it. It's on Disney Plus, I think.
Ajá.
Pero sí,
Disney
bro.
Plus.
May the Force be with you.
Um, ok. Um, pero ¿qué celebra? ¿Cómo se celebra ese día?
I
¿Cómo se
mean,
celebra ese día? ¿Qué tú harías?
bro, pues
A mí, tú vas a vestirte como un loco.
sería. I mean, yo nunca me he vestido de Star Wars, bro. Y en verdad yo en algún momento, no te voy a mentir, maybe este año. Pero qué sé yo, mano. Ver películas de Star Wars, I guess. Popcorn. Seguir viendo Mandalorian. Eso es probablemente lo que vaya a hacer hoy, que estoy viendo la serie. Mira, it sets con más significado este año. Y es que hoy la actriz Carrie Fisher, she's Leia,
Ajá.
quien interpretó a la valiente y rebelde princesa Leia, falleció en diciembre por 2016 de un infarto. Recibirá de manera póstuma un lugar en el Paseo de las Estrellas en Hollywood. Oh, so So, ella le van a hacer un homenaje hoy a Carrie Fisher y la van a poner en el Hollywood
Huh.
Star Road or whatever.
Ah, so she gets a Hollywood star. Okay.
Exactly, today. So, eso es lo que se va a pasar hoy.
Hmm.
No tanto.
Bueno, all right. Let's get to some stocks here. There's a lot of things going on this morning. You got the shop. You got the shop news. Now look, shop went ahead and I guess they fired 20% of their staff here. So again, I mean that's happening across the board. And then you have this Peloton shit. If you take a look at the Peloton here, I guess their losses. I guess their revenue came in okay. Well, revenue declined, but continues in decline for demand. I don't know, man. This thing can't catch a fucking break. Look at this. Look at this Peloton, man. I think it's trading 7 handle now. 760. This shit is brutal. This shit is brutal. Right? Now you look at the shop. Look at the shop. Shop is a completely different story. I think if market doesn't sell today, you might see this thing at $60 on the Shopify here. Let's take a look at some of the news here on the Shopify here. Let's see if we can go ahead and dig it up. I'm pretty sure they went ahead and said, we're gonna go ahead and here we go. Shopify to cut. Let's look at the news here. Shopify to cut 20% of staff and sell logistic arm. Pending layoffs, blah blah blah. Announced earlier, there's a company is cutting 20% and selling logistic business. This is a consequential and hard week. It's the right thing for Shopify, but negatively affects team members. I mean, doesn't negatively. You notice how they have to say that? It's like 20% cut in staff adds so much to your bottom line, but they can't just come out and say it, right? It's a negative thing. But for the business here, it's a fucking great thing. Shopify is selling its $2.1 billion acquisition Deliver, and any progress it's made on Shopify operated warehouses. I don't know. So they're selling off some shit. But again, this thing is above. If you look at the chart, this thing is above its recent highs from before when it had that huge move up to 55. So this thing is basically at highs. I love this thing for a possible continuation. The problem is we're not in the market where you get continuation, right? So they could fade this. They could fade this off completely too. I'd wait a little bit off the open to see where this thing kind of shakes out. Macro Mundo, van a hablar de tape. Si tú me pagas, claro. Si tú me pagas, yo puedo hablar lo que tú quieras. Ese tipo. Si tú me pagas, bro. AMC. Remember, this thing's got earnings, I think. But I love this thing for a long. If you take a look at the GME, it already printed up to like 19 and a half. These things are hard to stay long. It's very hard to stay long. These freaking meme stocks, but I think they go higher. Obviously, we need to talk about the fucking banks here. So last night, I mean, shit just fucking collapsed here last night. So there was kind of a lot of things just kind of going on in general, right? So it was a First Horizon here. So TD Bank, I guess, pulled off the deal for First Horizon, right? And First Horizon, what the fuck is the ticker for this thing again? Why wouldn't they even just fucking say it on here? And then you had what's the ticker for First Horizon here? Somebody drop it out here. And then they had some of the other banks here. So the PACW, they were talking about exploring strategic alternatives or whatever. So all these stocks are getting lit the fuck up, man. They're down 40% again. So again, this is what is pushing. The index is down this morning. Yeah, this FHN. I mean, this is bad. This is bad. These things are really bad. If you look at Schwab, if you look at all these banks here, they look really, really fucking ugly, man. The JPM, even the Bank of America's, so even the bigger names here are starting to come off. This GS here basically killed, a lot of its move higher. But again, this is all off of the programs down that is happening in the regional bank space. So we have to keep an eye on regional banks, obviously. This FCNCA, by the way, this was the company that took over the SIVB assets. It still hasn't sold the fuck off. Somebody explain this to me. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. You know, I don't understand how every other bank could be in the shit house except for this one. So somebody explain to me something I don't know. That I don't understand. Now, you get the Qualcomm earnings that came out. That also didn't look good. This also didn't look good. So you have, you know, you got a lot of earnings here that you can sit here and kind of watch. And then on top of all the regional banks, right? So, you know, the KREs of the world and all this kind of stuff, these things are all just dying. And then you got the shop on the other side of the equation. You got Qualcomm here, you know, and then you got the Peloton. And then you got the Peloton there too. You know, so there's plenty of juice here on individual names here. I wouldn't look for market direction as a whole here, because again, everything is going to be program driven. You know, everything is going to be program driven. And when it's program driven, especially off fear from the banks, it's going to make for some difficult trading, especially if you're long anything. You know what I mean? Your long could just get, you know, thrown into the shit house here, just because of some news from all this stuff. So you have to kind of be conscious of all this stuff. You know, Apple, you got the news here coming out end of day, which is going to be the earnings. So we'll see how that goes. You know, but other than that, what do y'all got? What do y'all got? Bring me something. Bring me something. Raul was saying no rate cuts this year. The market was pricing in rate cuts. That's why we're down. Uncle Powell opened his fucking mouth. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we were pricing in the rate cuts. Maybe we weren't. I have no idea. You know, I think this is moving towards a more stock pickers kind of situation versus somewhere where you can, you know what I mean? Macro is saying, no pregunté por mal. You need to take the day off. And, bro, I did yoga and meditated this morning, bro. Pero si tú me preguntas por algo que yo vendo, hay que pagarme. And I have to make an example out of everybody, bro. So, if you want some tape, remember, I talk tape all the day. I talk tape all the time, man. You know what I mean? Pero, if you ask me like that, bro, págame, bro. Pero, tú sabes que, págame en BTC, bro. Págame en BTC, porque esa mierda no vale nada. The BTC, by the way, we have to take a look at the BTC too. So let's take a look at the BTC. BTC, because of the bank shit, it's been trading pretty fucking well, man. It's been trading pretty well. You know, they're trading at around 29. This thing was trading 28 or so, you know, 28 or so, and then off the bank, you know, off the bank difficulties here, all of crypto is starting to move higher. SEDG, isn't that a semis? Oh shit! Oh, this is solar. All right, so what's going on here on the SEDG? Talk to me about SEDG here. What is this? What am I missing here? Yes, I know what it is. It's a solar here, but what's the deal? It's earnings? Wow, so that's why EMPH is a little bit higher here this morning. Yo, Ajay, check out your SEDG. This is a solar name here. It might help your end path, end phase swing long. We got AJ here long. SEDG. So this one might help you out here. This one's up big here, pre-market. Gold here is a huge. It was huge. I can't. Did it really spot? Yeah, but was that a fake print on the 195? Gold here is a long, man. Gold here is a straight up fucking long, man. It's a straight up fucking long, man. You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy that shit in my daughter's account. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I missed the buy. In reality, the buy was fucking 185 here on the GLD. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and buy. This is what I'm buying right now. I'm buying GLD for my daughter's account. So I'm buying 50 of those. All right, so I just put an order to buy the market here for GLD. Hutch is saying, nice to see. I haven't changed one bit. Who changes? People change? People change? I mean, I had one conversation with my father. That motherfucker hasn't changed at all. And he's lived about, 60, 70 years. The fuck are we talking about here? I love how the younger generation thinks they got a shot, though. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, Hutch, what's up, man? Long time, man. Long time. Long time. I love how people. Yo, Joel, ¿qué tú crees? ¿Tú crees que una persona puede cambiar? Like, de verdad, de verdad.
De verdad, de verdad.
Sí. ¿O tú crees que una persona es así y puede hacer poco cambio, ok? Pero la persona como tal siempre va a ser. Siempre
Mira,
va a ser la misma. ¿Tú crees?
honestamente yo pienso que las personas sí pueden cambiar, pero bajo circunstancias propias. O sea, tú no le puedes decir a una persona que cambie, la persona va a pasar por experiencia
Ajá.
que automáticamente le van a hacer evaluar, ok, I should change o no me quedo así, ¿me entiendes? Es como dicen, nadie aprende por cabeza ajena, so tú vas a cambiar si tú de verdad quieres cambiar tú como Lucci, ¿me entiendes? Si alguien te dice,
Ajá.
Lucci cambia,
Ajá.
fuck you, man. Pero entiendes, si tú pasas una experiencia en la cual tú dices, mano, esta experiencia me trastocó y creo que
Ajá.
debo cambiar, pues maybe. So, es más
Ujú.
introspectivo que nada. So, sí,
Ah, bueno.
las personas pueden cambiar, pero personalmente,
Ajá.
ese es mi
Ajá.
punto de vista.
Yo creo que el chaos, ¿cuál es la palabra de
The
chaos?
the same, caos.
Caos. Eso que, eso
Sí.
suena, eso suena un poco raro.
Exacto.
Caos. Caos.
Caos.
What the fuck?
Exacto, mira, Melvin dice, el trauma cambia a las personas. So, bro, nadie te va a decir que tú cambies. Si tú pasas por una chavienda, por una jodienda, then you...
Caos.
Exacto, caos, you're probably gonna change.
Ah, bueno. Ah, bueno. I mean, all the chaos that my father went through, the motherfucker's still the same. All the chaos that I went through, I mean, generally speaking, I'll change a little bit over time, you know what I mean? Y yo puedo cambiar un par de cosas para aprovechar de un movimiento en negocio, por ejemplo, pero realmente, sorry, yo soy así.
No, al fondo de tu corazón, al final del día, uno sigue siendo el mismo.
Exacto. ¿Cuál fue la canción de Bad Bunny? La que yo estaba
Sí, esa
cantando.
es. Hazle caso a tu amiga, ella tiene razón, no vas a romper. Ese Titi me preguntó, bro, tú eres un jangueador ya.
As Chrissy Trades is like, that's the thing, like tú coges tú estás en una relación y tú quieres cambiar tu partner, como siempre, right? Alguien está tratando de cambiar la otra o el otro,
Ujú.
right? Siempre va a llegar a un punto donde esa persona te enoja y tú quieres cambiarle. Y tú no puedes, eso no es propósito de una relación, right? Tú no puedes cambiar a otra persona, tú no puedes cambiarlo. You can't fucking do it. You can only accept. You can only accept. You know what I'm saying? Or busca una persona que no tiene esa tendencia, pero tú siempre vas a encontrar algo que, que a
¿Qué
ti
te
no te
gusta?
gusta.
It's true.
Siempre. And you gotta let that shit go. You know what I'm saying? You gotta let that shit go. Same thing in trading, same thing in all kinds of stuff. Well, you know, if you guys really listened, you would understand that it's all the same. But y'all are a bunch of fucking herbs who want me to fucking give you some shit on a silver platter. But, you know, but y'all can't see it. But you will at some point, you know. And if you don't, the fuck do I care? Cada persona tiene su propio camino, and that's it. You only worry about you. This is a very selfish life that we all have, you know. Anyways, ideas here that I'm going to shoot out. I already got the shop here going on. I have a 10 lot of SPX short overnight, so I'll probably sell that off the open because, you know, any gift you get, fuck it. It's a gift, and you take it off. What WMP is saying, how we thinking about Melly shop and Ulta all up? Is Melly up off the shop news? Did Melly have earnings too? Or is this all because of shop? Oh my god. It hit 1400? Oh no. No. Oh, it had earnings. Holy shit. I had a feeling this was coming. Somebody's talking about the GFAI. Damn. What a short from... I had this thing short from 19, man. I couldn't sit around and hold it. What a joke, man. What a fucking joke. Sometimes you just got to stick around with these things, man. I think this AI is going further down. That soon is probably back down to 2s. God damn. And then Adobe had some earnings. I don't trade this thing. I don't care. Mercado Libre. Yo, ¿hay alguien aquí que usaba Mercado Libre? Que usa Mercado Libre. Yo nunca lo uso. Nunca lo usé. I don't even know what the fuck the site is. Let's take a look at this right now. Mercado Libre. I mean, me imagino.
Yo creo que es como un Amazon de Latinoamérica, yeah.
Vamos a hacerlo como si fuera de la República Dominicana. Okay.
Exactly. So it's like an eBay for Latin American. But I think it's you can sell like used things over there too. I don't know.
Me imagino.
Like,
Micrófono profesional. Eso es en peso, ¿verdad? Eso es en peso. Okay.
yeah.
So, porque yo estaba viendo el precio and I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? No, WMP Melly is not a scam at all. It was never a scam, bro. It was one of the strong. It's been one of the strongest stocks, you know, out there. Yo, Joel, ¿puede prender los televisores?
of course. Vamos a darle.
I gotta listen to Jesus. I mean, you know what you could do? Again, if you want some easier money here, what you could easily do is just sell some puts on Shopify. Sell some puts on Shopify and call it a day. I'll probably do that. But you know what I can't believe is I fucking missed this GFAI, man. $4. It was such a joke, man. But you know what? The same thing is gonna happen to this top, man. The same thing is gonna happen to this top. Top is squeezing a bunch of people. You know what I mean? Ask Chrissy Trades, I don't know. Pay me. I don't know, bro. I have no idea. But when you find a line, let me know. Meta here has been kind of weak, but you know. Yeah, the top. I mean, the top is the top. Let's get this over 100. Maybe we can get this short over 100. Let me see what the shares are for top. Okay, so you got to pay $500. Yeah, Meta had a bunch of news yesterday. Your boy stuck in calls. Stuck in calls for what? Does top have options now? Don't even tell me. No, top doesn't have options. Ooh, that coffee smells good. But I don't drink it. Fucking starving right now though. Yeah. So again, keep an eye on the banks. Keep an eye on the banks. If they start halting to the upside, you might be able to scalp something. If you're gonna try to go long banks though, fucking be careful, man. Fucking be careful. All right. So if you get an upside move, you're gonna have to rip it off quick, unless some big news comes out saying, "Hey, shit's all good." KRE is looking down another 4% here with the FHN and PACW headlines weighing on the sector. Calm down, everybody. Take a deep breath. Got to figure shit out first. All right. So now let me go ahead and just cover this fucking SPX line that I have. I'm going to cover 5 of it. Went ahead and covered that shit. And anyways, names here I want to definitely watch off the open is the Shopify. 55 and change. The 55 options for tomorrow, they're actually trading at $2 fucking. They're actually trading at $2, which is kind of insane. PACW halted right away. Halted right away. All right. Again, let's scroll through all these names here. Take it slow. Tesla here trading 162 and failing. But again, these programs retrace. Google here, red. Let me go ahead and get my zoom up. BAC is getting some put buyers here for today. Numbers opened up. Have the numbers opened up, Natalia? Yeah, they're actually selling. They're selling. Amazon here, they're buying. Let's take a look at the Melly. Melly is just kind of chilling. Shop here came in at 55. Right. If you look at the solars, they're up a little bit. Apple here down 2.5, but that's nothing more than what it opened at. Check out the Peloton here, 7.5. Watching the AMC back down in the 70s here. All right, and then pulling up the top. Top is trading about 90, 92. It's just kind of chilling. I think this thing still wants to squeeze people. That Pinterest is horrible. That Pinterest is so bad. Let me just start watching tape on this. I mean, the Microsoft looks like it wants to break down, but this is how it always looks, right? Traps people short, goes right back to highs. Goes right back to fucking highs. I'm going to dump the rest of my SPX puts, the puts that I was holding. Okay. And let me just, all right, the PACW halted up here, 375. Somebody's talking about the D-Dog. Is this cybersecurity? What is D-Dog? Datadog? Or is this just database shit? Like a MongoDB? Yeah, MongoDB is going up too. Somebody find out the news on these things. Somebody give me some news on these. By the way, that's cloud security. All right, so Akamai? Where's Akamai at? Whatever. Somebody was talking about the Baba earlier today. What was the news on the Baba here this morning? So at 6 o'clock in the morning, the fucking thing, look at this chart. Look at that shit. What the fuck is that all about? So somebody was talking about it. Let me know. Let me know. All right, so if we were to go ahead and ENPH here at highs, still don't want to trade it. Shop here is just kind of holding. Let's take a look at those shop puts that we wanted to sell. What would we have to sell for this week to make any money? I would bet the 50s. That's a lot of money. The 53s we could trade. Nice pop here. The fucking spreads are ridiculous. $2 on the shop you have to pay. So that means you're pricing in already to go to 57 here. 57. Which I don't want to pay. If anything, let's buy the stock, right? Let's buy fucking stock on this. Right, let's buy stock. All right, let me start with a 500 shares. 500 shares market on the Shopify. Right, so I'm going to get up to like 10,000 shares or something on this, right? And then let's go ahead and sell some of these puts. All right, so let's sell, I don't know. Let's do some calculations here. How much can we make off this shit? Wow. This thing is fucking flying here, man. I fucking chased it though. All right, I'm gonna add more though on a dip. We're probably gonna get a freaking decent dip here too. All right, let's go ahead and sell. If I sell 100 of these, how much leverage? All right, let's do some math here. Let's do some math. All right, if I sell 100 of these, that's 5 points. That's 5 points. Right, 100 times what? 500. So 50,000. And then I'm making what? 40 cents. So 40 times 100. I mean, that ain't bad at all, man. Shit, I'll fucking sell 250 of these bitches. Apologies, ladies. We tend to use that word. Just they're probably gonna give me a shit fill though. Right, so if I sell 100, that's 50 grand. 4 grand. I'd have to sell 1,000 of these. All right, let me sell 200 for now, and then let me wait. Tesla, you guys are talking about the Tesla here. Tesla, nice. Nice. Where's the Pack W? Pack W here, halted again. Halted again. Halted again on the PACW. Check the options on fucking Shopify. They're trading 210 bid. 210 bid, and people are in this. This market maker is in this. $2 bid here on the Shopify. All right, so guys, again, I mean, if banks start selling, that's gonna put a big wrench, in everything that we're doing here. Let's go ahead and look at some SPX calls as well, because we're at lows here on SPY. Let's see what we can get a couple of dollars for. 41 and a quarter is going for a buck here, but let's go ahead and sell the 20s. 41.15s here. All right, let's go ahead and sell some calls here on the market, right? Let's just go ahead and sell 25 of these. I'm thinking the condors, man, the condors on Microsoft and freaking Meta and freaking Google and Amazon, the condors are working really, really, really well. Really well. So I would highly recommend trading the fucking condors, man, and just selling both sides of the Microsoft. All right, so we're long 5,000 shares of Shopify. Frankly, we should be in the options. We could have got this at $1.50. We could have got this at $1.50. Yo, AJ, I'm long the shop already. I don't know what you guys are up to. I've also sold some puts. You got a leap on shop? Attaboy. Yeah. Guys, we should have bought the option. Somebody's in this. Like, look at this fucking, you guys want tape? Look at this market maker here, man. They're stacking bids over here. Stacking bids over here, man. For real. Again, you want me to read this tape for you? Pay me. Fucking pay me. There's your dump here on SPY. So we're back to pre-market lows almost. We're back to pre-market lows. All right, your target here is 404, technically. Your target here is 404. Now, this could really start to kill the shop move, right? All right, so now we know we like the SPX call sell, right? We know we like that. So let's sell another 25 of those. Careful on the shop now, right? Because banks here are going to take us down, right? Banks are going to take us down. We should probably start trading some of those. Where's that Pac W? Pac W at lows. Where's that NVIDIA? NVIDIA's doing nothing. AMD, pop here on the AMD. You notice how? It's just banks. You know what I'm saying? It's just banks. So if you can last longer than the banks can, I could dip by some Shopify here. You know what I'll do? I'll go ahead and sell more puts on the Shopify. All right, so let's go ahead and sell another 100 of these. I got 300 of those. Right? Market fresh lows. So we're at lower. We're at those pre-market lows from yesterday. Shop went back to highs. And you can see they're buying certain names. They want to buy certain names. Just like before. Let's take a look at that top. Top trading 95. This thing is going higher. Royal's talking about the Netflix. Meh. I would do condors on that too. I don't think it's going anywhere. All right, Tesla went back to lows. But again, can't look at fucking snow. You see what I'm saying? So any market sell that you get, like, yeah, you're getting a market sell, but it ain't clean, man. BTC just dropped out to 28.7. It was trading over 29. I should have kept my SPX puts. Keep an eye on the banks, of course. KRE falling here. BAC falling to lows. JPM having problems. You know, Meta, but notice Meta, Amazon, Google, they are actively holding all of that shit. Meme stocks here, they're holding them. They're holding them. Where's the oil at? Oil got smoked yesterday. Where's that Boeing? Boeing finally broke $200. This is interesting. This is interesting. AJ, take a look at the Boeing. It's 197. 197. I mean, I've been looking for a breakdown on this thing down to 190 here. Let's take a look at those options here, just in case. Just in case. I mean, if they start selling the Boeing, then we got another game here. 195s are going for. Who's buying this? Is anybody buying this? Barely anybody buying this. Yo, those SPX puts I had are trading $45 now. I covered a fucking 34. Let's take a look at some of the flow here. Most of it is all in the banks short. As you can see, we're down again. All of. What's that? Yeah, do it. Do it. Hit them puts on the banks here. 405 here now. 405 here. Holy shit. All banks. This is all banks here. Nathaniel, what point do we get a TT2 here? Now remember, we are still short puts. I stopped watching the Shopify, but I see the options looking pretty good here. I mean, I wanted a point on 5,000 shares, so 57 was my target. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and blow out on this shop, man, and just sell fucking 500 of these. At least we know what we're gonna make by the end of the week here. All right, so let's sell another chunk of those. Here's who took that shop, man. That was your trade of the morning here. Now you just fucking, you just dump. I sold half of the Shopify long. That was a great trade. In reality, it could have been so much better. But it is what it is. Keep it moving. I'm going to sell another 25 of the calls on. All right, there's the rest of it on the Shopify. I'm going to cover the rest of it. I'm done. But those options doubled. Those options doubled on the Shopify. Wall just got halted, guys. Wall just got halted. Bank's still weak. Bank's still weak. $3 fucking from $1.50 on that Shopify. You motherfuckers. You motherfucker. Well, I mean, we were talking about buying 10,000 shares of that shit. You bastards. You fucking bastards. Attaboy, Tyler. Good move. Good move, Tyler. This thing ain't done. This thing ain't done. This thing ain't done. Somebody just bought some Microsoft puts, but out to September here, so I wouldn't go crazy on that shit. I mean, I made my morning here. Up fucking 20 grand. Yeah, guys, keep me posted. Keep me posted on these banks here. They're fucking trading so fast. I can't even keep track here. But all those names you got to keep track of. Yeah, no, Amazon Green. Of course, we talked about that. You know. JP Morgan getting smoked here, guys. I mean, we talked about all this yesterday. Schwab here almost at lows from the pre-market action. Unbelievable how well they're able to hold certain names. Like, I don't fucking get it, man. Yo, let me. Oh shit, that gold. Check out gold, man. Yo, they better have bought me the open on this shit, man. Check out gold. Let me see if I got gold. Yep, I'm long gold now. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna sell half of my Pinterest position because obviously it's a piece of shit. And what I'll do is I'll buy more gold. Okay. Oh my God, on that shop. But you gotta fit. You notice how Melly's not doing the same thing. Shop is on a regime change. It's on a complete regime change here, man. You know what I'm saying? On a complete regime change. What does a regime change mean? Fucking pay me. Whatever. 58. 58. Those options are at $4 now, guys. $4 now. It's all you have to do now is not sell. Right? I got out at 57. We ran another fucking point. You know what I mean? Remember, this thing was $1,000 stock and then split down to 100, I think, or something like that. You know, they're talking about selling a whole fucking business line and all this kind of shit. It doesn't. At the end of the day, it's just shorts getting squeezed and new longs saying, "Holy shit, we got to get involved in this thing." You know, it's fresh longs saying, "Yo, we got to get involved in this." You know. Tricks Trader is saying never use trailing stops or stops in general. Oh, what's a stop? What's a stop, bro? Tell me what that is again. Oh shit, this BA, man. This BA is kind of working. 200 puts are going for $4. I mean, I'm late on this. I'm so late on this. I just bought 25 of it just to fuck around. Off another dip, I'll go ahead and mess around some more. Yeah, fonts. Yeah, I use stops on my SPX trading. Yeah, those are automated stops. Yeah, but you know, fuck a stop, bro. Oh yeah, O funds, man. You can't get caught on that shit. Microsoft Tier 304. They're actually starting to sell a little bit of the. Oh my God, this fucking shop is still going. Oh. All right, fine. At least we shorted the puts. Japeth is saying I lost 10K last year. I'm back and scooped 30K on this shot play. Listen, man, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What matters is you keeping it. You know what I mean? The wins are there. They're always there. You guys see me winning every day. You see me winning every day. But do you see that compounding here? Not yet. Not yet. Take too many losses. Nice spike back up on SPY. That's going to help Shop too. Shop's going to fucking 60 at this point. Remember, now you got the market here, you know? Now you got the fucking market here. Now you got the market. Guys, if you get any dip on Shopify, you fucking buy it. You fucking buy it. Microsoft here breaking lows. It's going to make people want to short here. I would buy it. I would honestly buy this. I would buy this on the Microsoft there. You know, I might be crazy, but all right, let's check in. Let's do a little lap here, guys. It's like we in the club here, and we trying to find some girls to talk to. Let's do a little lap here. Meta, Amazon. Let's check out these banks. Check out the Pac W. I think this got halted here. I would even go along these things. Check out these banks here, JPM. You know, it's not a bad idea to go along this and assume here these regional banks kind of pop. You could buy this JPM and trade that. Check AMC. Check AMC. Check AMC. I think I don't want to actually do it, but I would buy GME. I would buy GME and go for $20 on GME. Somebody's talking about FHN. Yeah, man. And again, if all they have to do is bid these banks, market goes right back to highs. Market goes right back to highs. That's all they got to do. That is all they got to do. Now, where is SPX on the put side here? Let's see if we can get 40.25. 40.20. Let's go ahead and sell some puts. Just a small bit of puts. We just want to get a hedge going. Just in case. Where's SPX trading? Yo, premiums are high, guys. Premiums are high. Premiums are fucking high. Shop, guys, if you get 58, 58 and a quarter or something like that, you fucking buy it. Ask Chrissy Trades is talking about I'm buying Schwab. Yeah. Yeah. Again, markets are trading penny by penny with these banks. You know, so you want to just stick to one. Try to stick to one and don't look at too many of them. Where's that gold? I love gold. Ask Chrissy Trades is saying 50x calls for the month. I don't know what that means. Nvidia, where's the Nvidia? I mean, the AMD was popping off that. Oh, there you go. There you go. You know what I'm saying? Schwab 50 strike call. All right, got you. Duke is saying white gold or yellow gold. You got long SPY at 405. Damn! Are you covering it? Your target is high of day? I mean, I think you got to, well, what the fuck do I know? Everybody's trading their own way. All right, anyways. Okay, here's your shop. Here's your shop fade here, right? Now, I could go ahead and just sell some more puts here. I can still make $2,000 per 1,000 per 100 lot that I sell, but at this point, somebody's just buying the 60 calls. I think somebody just bought the 60 calls on the shop. Shop 60 calls. They bought them for January, though. They bought them for January. They bought them for way out in time. So I wouldn't get too cocky on that shit. Again, under 58, I'd fucking buy that shit. Check out the AMC. Again, I think you're going through $6 on that. All right, BA. Now we're getting the pop, right? So I'm going to go ahead and add 25. That's it, though. I'm not going to trade any more than that. I'm looking for 190 on the BA. Chances are I ain't going to get it. All right, SPY here went ahead and failed. Shop here, you got the 58.30s. You know what I mean? All right, let's go ahead and play some stock here. We said we were going to buy it. So any move lower here, I'm going to continue to buy stock on this. I'm not going to trade the option. I bought 2,500 shares to start. Well, shit. And then I'm just going for highs. So I'm going for 59 here. Banks open, PACW. Let's check out that PACW. That one is a problem. That one is a problem. Notice the JPM still hasn't gone. The BAC back to lows here. So they're still pressing banks here a little bit. Check out gold here, back to highs. I can buy more? No, this doesn't make any sense. Sorry, I got distracted a little bit. Where's that Shopify? Shit. Who bought that Shopify? There's your, and remember, this is a scalp. This is a scalp. You're just doing this for a scalp here. Because this thing's going to start getting slower. Made 50% plus on Tricks Trader. That's great, man. Great. Tell me about your losses. Duke is saying, when you add, is the size smaller, bigger, or same than your original entry? I have no fucking clue, bro. I don't think about it. If you want some execution help, pay me for a class. AMD above. Oh, yeah, that AMD, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's completely. Pay that man his money. Can't say it right. He beat me. Straight up. He beat me. Straight up. There's your dump on shop. That's what we wanted. All right, let's go ahead and buy another 2,500 shares. That gets me up to 5,000 on the Shopify. But you could see fresh. You could see lower. You could see 57.5 on this. So don't get too cocky. Kid's got alligator blood. I don't have this trait. Last time, managing the TT4. Of course, gold is strong. Look at the. What else are you gonna buy here? We're like, look at these banks. You know what I mean? These fucking banks are trash. Complete fucking trash. Yo, Nathaniel, when do we get overextended on that 5 there? I would imagine it's coming up pretty soon. Notice the tape changed now on that Shopify. Tape changed completely now on that Shopify. Honestly, I don't want to sit here all day and manage fucking SPX. I really don't. I really fucking don't. So I could take this 14 grand and go the fuck home and then hold the Shopify short puts that I have because that's going to give me another 8 grand there by the end of the, by the end of the week kind of thing. Ness is saying, if I want to swing shop, should I wait for deeper pullback? What do you think? I have no fucking clue. Ness, remember, this is entertainment. If you want advice and you want me to help you, I was taking a look at the BA. The BA is just kind of meh. Shop here now, notice it's just drying out. So it's not, buyers don't have control of this anymore, right? So if you're trying to catch a rally on this thing, you're going to have to wait. You're going to have to wait. I got 5,000 shares, but in reality, I'm not going to get anywhere with these. I'll try to get out for break even on my 5,000 shares. Maybe I'll add some, but my short puts here will cover the rest of it. Tricks Trader, here's a good question. What's the success rate of your trader? I have no idea. I don't know the answer to that question. I don't have the actual data on it. And then, what do you consider success? And everybody is going to say consistently profitable. What the fuck does that mean? I haven't been consistently profitable in about 15 years. I have periods in time where I make a lot of fucking money. You know what I mean? What the fuck does that mean? So how do you gauge it? I have no idea, Tricks. I have no fucking idea, man. Remember, I'm the realest trader you get. I'm the only one that's gonna tell you like this. The only one. Do I care if you take the course? I don't give a flying Fuck, bro. All right, there's your pop on the Shopify. All right, I can get out for basically break even here. Let's give it a second though, right? Let's give it a second. Microsoft straight back up. Plus you got the Nvidia and all that kind of. Yeah, Microsoft. Did anybody buy that down there? Did anybody buy that down there? Oh, that was smooth. That was smooth. I couldn't do it. I'm not good at like range trading and shit, man. Janky salesman here bought Microsoft. Nice, good for you. All right, there's your Shopify. Who's in this? Who's in this? I was looking for, theoretically, if we can get highs out of this, it'd be nice, but, I don't know. I don't know how much I like this anymore versus like the chop. You know what I'm saying? So there's the half. There's the half right there. Okay, I'm gonna sell half. I'm gonna sell half. We did okay on that. We did okay on that. Whatever, I'll take that shit. All right, I'll leave the rest here for a runner. Just in case. Check that Tesla. Tesla at 160 is a problem. Tesla at 160 is a problem, right? They can't get it through there. They cannot get it through there. Honestly, the rest of this, I don't even want to trade it. Check that Nvidia out. You know what I mean? But what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You really going to hit something here? Market's got to fucking tank again, right? And if they started consolidating on these regionals here, we've seen this every day here. They're not going to, you know what I mean? You're not going to see the panic that you see earlier, that we saw earlier. That's all I'm saying. And if you don't see the panic, then put premiums are going to get a little softer. By the way, the put premiums are holding up really well. They're holding up really well. So I'm not saying we can't sell, but I stopped talking here because I got nothing. I got nothing. Wall fresh. Damn, man. Bank of America at lows. You know what I mean, JPM at lows. What time is it? It's only 10 o'clock. Fuck. Moving Trader is saying, did you see that you had a copyright? Yeah, man. Every single video is a copyright violation. Every single video is a copyright violation. Okay, let's go back and take a look at the top. Top hit 108, man. Top hit 108. Top hit 108. Yeah, man. But like I said, I don't care. I don't even know how to make money on YouTube. Nvidia kind of fade here. Where's that shop? Oh shit. All right, 58.70 back on that shop. That's looking good. All right. So we got the rest of our right? Yeah, all right. All right. We know the market here is holding. We see the market here holding. We see we don't have that panic selling from the banks that we had off the open. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go ahead and bury the other 2,500 that I have. Well, all right, let's bury half of this. And then we'll leave another runner. Fuck it. And then that's another program. I think that was news. Was that news that just came out? I don't know what that was. That was comedy. That was comedy right there. Short-lived. There goes the lows. Lows here, SPY. Listen, guys, the fucking premium on the short side of this stuff, it's holding up really, really well. Like really, 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 really well. So if you look at the SPX, if you look at the SPX down to BA fresh low, that's good. That's good. That's good. We got 50 of those. We got 50 of those. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and this is another bank push here. This is another bank push here. Let's go ahead and move down our sell calls because we got space now. We got space now. Right, so let's move down to the 4100s. That's a program. That's a program. That is a big program, I'm assuming, based off a lot of the bank shit here. That pack W here, or just halted again. There you go. There you go. There you go. KRE still going. This is bad, man. This is bad. This is really fucking bad. Where's this PX 4100? All right, let's nice comeback there. Nice comeback there. All right. I'm basically going to chop them out. Guys, if you're sitting there on the programs, the program risk is to the downside, right? Because if the banks keep selling, you got that risk there to the downside. I mean, I have some left over on the shop, which is 1,000 shares, which I don't fucking care about. I got the short puts, which are basically going to prem out to nothing. All right. We're in the BA short. We're in the BA short. That's actually looking half decent, man. We really might get 190 out of this thing. Alex, it ain't like before, man. It ain't like before. This shit ain't like before, bro. You know what I mean? It ain't like before. Guys, I'm going to sell half of the BA just because I don't want to get caught off. I don't want to get caught off guard. You know what I mean? This is a weird program backup, you know? That makes me feel like they want to hold some of this shit. I don't want to write the puts. You know, I definitely don't want to write the puts, but you know, it's something to think about. WAL, still selling. BAC, still selling. JPM, still selling. Look at the Shopify. Where's Tesla? All right, where's Nvidia? All right, let's take a lap around the club here again. Let's take a lap around the club here, see what girl looks at me in the eye. Because if she looks at me in the eye, I'm going to go say hi. Top here 102. This shit ain't a fucking AMC, whatever. Raya here, Mara here. Janet Yellen acting as PPT. What the fuck does exploding sale mean, Bruce? Fresh lows back down on the, check out the BA. Wow, guys. Short SCHW. All right. Yo, Daniel, you still short, Schwabi? Yeah. Cool. I mean, folks here. I think you just forget, if you're gonna short, stick with SPY and forget about the fat man names. Exactly. There's better names to short, bro. Just better names to short. This BAC 27 flat. I bet the fucking put action here is ridiculous, man. Still got a gap here to retrace. I kind of want to dump the rest of BA, but I'm not going to do it yet. Guys, I'm going to dump the Shopify completely here. It's just another 1,000 shares. I ain't going to make shit off that anyway. I still got the short puts. Right now we're short a bunch of calls. We're going to make money there. We'll probably end up at a 30K day. Can't be mad at that shit, right? Let me sell another 15 of the BA. All right, guys. I'm pretty much done for the day here. Any questions? VIX fresh highs. T-Bone is saying, why didn't I sell calls on the regional banks? Great call. You know what I'm saying? So T-Bone, did you do it? And Serge is saying, is that Dash Trader? Yes, this is Dash Trader. Fresh lows on SPY. Fresh lows on SPY. Which one? Zion. Oh, that's another regional bank, yeah? So T-Bone, did you do it? You could have sold the spread. But see, you see that shit? It's like, yo, why don't you sell calls on the regional banks? Did you do it? Nah, man, nah. I got it, you know. Did you do it? Nah, man. Nah, I got burned before, right? But it's so obvious to tell somebody else to fucking do it. You know what I mean? Right? You know? The fuck out of here. Fucking herbs. But again, this is what trading is. You know what I mean? This is what it is. This is what it is, right? Because it's so easy. It's so easy to let somebody else know, hey, this is what you're doing wrong, and blah 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 blah. And again, T-Bone's got a great idea. I should have been selling the fucking calls all day on that shit, because those are the weakest fucking things. You just sold in the monies on that shit, man. Damn, man. You know. But if you're gonna call somebody out, you better fucking back it up, son. Hopefully Schwab halts down too. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Alex is saying from the last master course, your ideas are fucking worthless. They really are though. You just seen Homeboy, right? T-Bone, right? T-Bone with a T-Bone steak right there. He ain't eating no T-Bone steak. He ain't eating no T-Bone steak. He might just have the greens on the side. You know, can't have no steak unless you put up your shit. It's a good idea, T-Bone. So I'll tell you what, do it. You do it, I'll do it. You do it, I'll do it, T-Bone. Send me your trade, and I'll go ahead and do it with you. You gonna do it? You're not even gonna do it. You can't restrict your accounts, from what I know. I think you can restrict on the wall hit 16. No way. Oh my god, that's bad. That's really bad. Natalia, you got to look at these things. WAL, look at all these things. PHTW. But look at WAL. Holy shit. This is, you know what tape this is? This is the tape from 2008 when the banks every day, they just fucking gapped down and got smoked. Holy shit. BAC through 27. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that KRE is toast. You guys remember I was long that thing from $43. What a fucking epic short that would have been. Where's Shopify? I'm sure it just cratered out here. Where's that BA? BA still looking good. Yeah, everybody's going to go after gold and BTC. Everybody's going to go after gold and BTC. Where's BTC? BTC 28.9 hasn't really, rallied that much per se. Come on, no, don't. All good, man. Wow. Wow. Is all I gotta say. Wow. Somebody locked in the shop at $60. Apple puts. I mean, it's all puts they're buying here. It's literally all fucking puts they're buying here. I mean, I could keep moving down. I could totally keep moving down. I'm still getting $1 for these options, so fuck it. Let me sell another 25 of these. Oh, I can't sell anymore because I got no leverage. I mean, are y'all gonna go to banks? Do y'all have money in any of these banks? Are y'all gonna go? You know what I'm saying? Are y'all gonna take your cash out? I mean, I got a good amount of cash in banks right now. JP Morgan being the biggest. The Puerto Rico banks. You know what I'm saying? I mean, Wells Fargo is one of the shittiest fucking large banks out there. So if anything, that's another one that's got problems. Thomas has got TD. Apparently, Ameritrade was going to buy FHN, and then that deal fell through. So I don't know what's up with that thing. But this wall opened back up and hit 1370. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Nah, man, I would buy BTC with all of it. All right, guys. All eyes on wall now. Fuck it. Check out that BA, man. We were right on that BA, yo. Finally, today had its day. 194 on that BA. I only got 10 left, man. That was a good trade. That was a good fucking trade, man. That was about 50% on your money right there. And then if I played the out of the monies, those probably would have been a double. That was a good fucking trade, man. Shit. Shit. Schwab going down would be really bad. I've heard blah, 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 blah. Just have 250K less in each bank and you're 100% safe. I mean, you're right? Because they doubled down on the FDIC shit. They did double down on the FDIC, which is fine. You know, but. All right, they gotta. I'm gonna wait until they open back up this wall. Let's just mess around with this thing. Who caught that BA, man? That BA was clean, man. Actually, it was almost a double because that option traded down to 350. Well, that would have been $7 for a double. Anyways, let's just take a look at this wall. What's that PHCW doing? 276 on this thing. Oh my God. Oh my God. That Veronica Vaughn. That Veronica Vaughn. Ranchero saying, check with your bank, but I have a product that sweeps my cash. I have that too, and spreads it around over 3,000. The problem is you can't. All right, wall open back up. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. It's about. It looks like it's about to halt already. It just halted again. Halted again. Halted again. BA fresh low 610, man. We had some ideas today, guys. BA short, shop long. Those were both doubles on the options, man. Some good fucking ideas today. Some really good fucking ideas, man. Let's take a look at the Microsoft here. Let's take a look. Tesla here, 160. Still trying to hold out 160 on the Tesla. Nvidia here cut the whole move. Nvidia cut the whole move. You're trading down to 274 on that Nvidia. I like to swing short on Nvidia down to 250. Problem is you don't know when you're gonna get this shit. Yeah, man. Whoever shorted the wall, man, Jesus. Whoever shorted the wall yesterday, I mean, hats off, of course. Fucking fat trade, man. Fat fucking trade, man. Let's wait for this thing to reopen. I'm hungry as fuck right now, man. I think I'm gonna go get some food. Nice pop. Nice pop. While wall is halted here. Nice pop. Spy push out of Schwab for 20% on this retrace. Yeah, you could short. Yeah, you could try that. You could short pops here. I mean, I think I'm done here. It's 10:30. Yeah, I see the YouTube chat. I see you, bro. What's up, Daniel? What's the fucking problem? Oh, I think I'm running out of energy too. I need a recharge. What do you mean? Oh, I don't know. I don't think you'll get. I don't think you won't get this type of price action on anything else, bro. Yeah, I don't. You're not going to see this type of price action. I mean, maybe oil. I mean, what's the cascade effect then? All right. So let's say Western Alliance and Ally Financial and all this stuff. Let's say these things get bought up, right? What what is the cascade effect elsewhere? You know, who do they take down? You know what I mean? It's not really going to be any of the tech names or anything like that. Insurance, yeah, something like that maybe. Mark is saying it'll be gold. FRC costed $75 billion alone. Yeah, man. And then does the government have enough? You know what I'm saying? Do we get to the point where they actually let some of these banks just die? Which they fucking should. There you go. Wall opened up at 12. 12:35. Oh my God. Nah, man. As long as they keep opening up banks lower here, we are going lower. Do not try to fight this. They're going to halt this again here. 12:35 on the wall. I mean, this is bad, bro. This is bad. DB here. Deutsche Bank and Credit Suisse. Deutsche Bank and Credit Suisse, they got to be looking fucking bad. This Credit Suisse still at 80 cents. Surprising. Holy shit. Holy. Holy. Wall's going at like $10 here, man. Let's talk about shop. Yeah, again, these other names are not affected. You see how they're unaffected. Connect to. This guy is saying, how are your eyes not dying? Explain to me, darling. How the fuck do eyes die? Huh? I got 4. Actually, I have 5 with the laptop. Well, 6 with the phone. All right, all my attention is on fucking wall. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it for the day here. Again, big shout out to Centerpoint. If you guys hate your broker, how many of you guys hate your broker? Raise your hand or say yes. How many of you guys hate your broker? Say yes. And you really can't tell me no. Like you probably can't tell me no. I mean, there might be one out of freaking. Okay, we have. Wow. Yep. Yes. 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 Surfer here is already on CP. Nice. Schwab blows. Schwab is about to go down anyway. Okay, your beloved Charles Schwab is about to go down anyway, right? It's about to go down anyway. So Schwab said, Centerpoint said mid to 2023 for Canadians. That's awesome. That is awesome. All right, we open back up 11:35. 11:35. Woo! Dude, nobody wants to fucking buy this thing. Halt! 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 11:35. They didn't do it. They didn't do it. Yeah, they're gonna halt this. They're gonna halt this. It will here. Wow. Wow. All right, guys, listen. If you hate your broker, let me do you a favor, okay? I'm gonna get you a sweet deal. Just shut the fuck up and trust me. All right? Hit me up. Hit me up personally so I can get you a meeting with them and they can go ahead and give you all the information that you need. Remember, there's tons of freebies that they're gonna include in the deal if you move your account over. Why Centerpoint? I'll tell you right fucking now. Customer service, you're getting way better commissions. You get the short locates all in one place. I think they do offer. Actually, no. I don't want to. I don't think they offer futures. I'm not sure if they're going to offer them. You know, but again, futures is a whole another game. You should have another broker anyway for futures. Borrow fees are cheap as fuck, man. Cheap as fuck, man. Sure Trader is back up, I believe. I believe it's back up. Okay, Surfer is saying borrow fees at Centerpoint are better than anywhere else. All right. You know, but again, IB, like you could separate, forget IB and just separate. Use some two different brokers. But I get it. You want to have a place where you can do everything at one. That's why I moved over to Centerpoint. All right. So seriously, if you hate your broker, which you all hate your broker, I know every single one of you hate your fucking broker. There's your program up. There's your program up. Can you reserve shares to short? This is all stuff that I want you to directly ask fucking Centerpoint. Stop being a punk and get on the phone with Centerpoint. Pack W here just, yeah, that was a nice program up. That's impressive. They're going to fade this. I would imagine they fade this program here. You know, but let's see. Western Alliance says, report of deal talks absolutely false. All right, so Duke, this is what I'm going to do for you, okay? You're going to hit me up, and I'm going to connect you directly to them, okay? No, but I am working on something that I could possibly do it from all angles. So I'm working on that, you know? But again, for now, if you have over 30,000 and you are trading at fucking Schwab or Thinkorswim or whatever the fuck ever, and you're serious about this game of trading, you need to move your shit. Monthly platform fee, it depends if you're a pro or a customer. You guys are customers, so you pay for the data, you pay for the platform. It's around 100 and change. Double down. I think that's a great idea. I think that's a great idea, Double Down. Thanks for the idea, bro. I appreciate it, man. All right, guys. I dropped the link here for you. Duke, do me a favor. Just hit this fucking link and talk to them. All right. So I'm gonna drop it again. Drop it again. All right. All right, everybody. Take care and stay on this shit. Stay on this shit. This shit's gonna be crazy here, man. With these halts and everything, there's gonna be programs running in all kinds of directions. All right. All right. Take care. Peace.